What if you could wake up every morning to sweeping Cascade views, ride out your door for a round of golf or a day on the trails, and end the day with the sun setting to the west? If that sounds good, I just might have the house for you. Let's go find out. This single-level home has so many great features, but easily one of my favorites is this great room. It has soaring ceilings, beams that extend outside, windows and sliders that frame the panoramic mountain views, and you've got patios to the back and to the front for morning coffees or evening gatherings. Standing in the kitchen, it makes you appreciate the style that blends these modern elements with some warmer wood tones. And I would challenge you to find a better view while doing your dishes. The primary suite is privately situated to the south of the home and has everything that you'd expect of a house of this level. Also, adjacent to the primary is a den or an office for added flexibility. On the north end of the home, you'll find two generously sized ensuite bedrooms alongside the oversized media room, giving you additional options for entertainment, relaxation, or fitness. This backyard is a destination on its own. Whether you're soaking, playing, or entertaining, it adapts to every moment, all with panoramic mountain views as your backdrop. If you're looking for a home that delivers on all levels, all with the convenience of golfing, skiing, and endless activities out your doorstep, we invite you to come see this home for yourself.